all this you learned within one day?
Yeah.
Really?
One day, one day, 1 month.
1 month. Okay, still I think it's very good, honestly. And
He says 1 month and 1 day.
and at the end, or in the end, you were singing almost like Michael Jackson. And I suggest you to learn the lyrics of the music, of the song, so that you can sing almost the whole song, because at the beginning your mouth were closed, so that I could see that it's not you who is singing, but at the end you are at least trying to sing the song. It's very good.
La kha izai pui the chon kha ilam re re hi la poi ba hat vector ni ti athua ten izai pui vector nang ma zai nang ma lam ang chen na kin amin en khanon langa. Okay.
And this song or this dance you learned within 1 month and 1 day. And for how long you have been dancing before?
Mine in tigare ngai lo lab to thena ti kum khat ilam dai kum khat ling tem sap tong en chang ro
Okay.
Where do you usually dance? At home? Or school? At home? Alone or with friends?
And only Michael Jackson, or do you have some other favorite songs? Or
midang tungai lam thiam ti nem lan thadang na ilam ngai am thadang lam ngai okay sap tong en chang ro le
only Michael Jackson? Okay.
I have a dedicated life.
he's Michael Jackson fan.
Okay, so yeah, I agree with Pedro that your moves are really good and you've definitely got rhythm. Also something, maybe the audience interaction, you could try to work on a little bit, looking up a bit more, looking at the audience a bit more. I understand, I would be very shy myself. Actually, I wouldn't even dare to do it.
Ilam khan ilam tha ma sela ilam pa khan mi pui lam kha ngai ben de ro mi pui lam han ena mi pui lam mo mi pui han signal lam pe ka khate lam thiam ja han in so le lo ber kha khang kha ti tiang che ti mi pui lam I dor lo lu to ni so lam mi pui han en zo tiang ber mo.
For me also I like it, but just as Miss Lee said, the impression is important. Yeah, but
Ke pen tha ka ti je ma sela mi pui lam mi ron mel ngai lo wa kha apoi mo ni mi pui lam melam mi pui lam ena lim de wa mi pui en chunga zai lam thiam te chan I zai pa la sak pui kha nge tu rang ni te.
So thank you very much for coming, and by next week, in 1 week, you will know if you've gone to the next round.
Next round.
The semi-finals.
Okay, semi-final ai kai lo chu tu na tang kar khatai riang.
We'll let you know 1 week's time. Thank you.
Okay.
And please help yourselves, all of you, because we've got plenty to some food and some drinks there
Okay.
before you go. And let's see if we have some more contestants.